All right, welcome back. It's D back with another review for you guys. Today I got the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid Sport Touring in a nice meteorite gray color. Check it out. Finally got my hands on one of these, man. I had to wait till as soon as it came off the truck. I just first dibs on it, man, because these things are coming in already sold. Basically, these are the SIs, so trying my best to get them while I can. But pretty hot car for Honda. You know, introducing the hybrid system back to the Civic and the SI and all that. So please bear with me. But it's here, so check out this meteorite color. You know, so not much has changed with the hybrid, but it is a few things. So starting up front, got the painted. It used to be like a nasty flat gray, like all this was like flat gray plastic, but now it looks pretty nice. Considering this is a sport touring though, so it looks pretty nice. Full LED headlights, LED turn signal. Got your blacked out grille with the front parking sensors. No fog lights, but that is still pretty nice. Things only make about 141 horses. Seems like it's pretty quicker though, probably because of the hybrid system. But 18-inch rim. Let me know, first of all, let me know what you guys think about the new rim design. But it is an 18-inch rim. It's a 235 40R 18. Some Continental tires, Pro Contact RX. I actually love these things, man. It's like a flat gray with some, you know, machine aluminum outside. Looks pretty good with the gray color, in my opinion. Got the gloss black mirror cap with the integrated turn signal. Roof, you know, considering it is a sport touring. Sorry about the bird poop. The bird just literally pooped on the car while I was sitting here. But checking out the rear. Got the sport touring badge, hybrid badge, still full LED tail lights, rear parking sensors. Exhaust is tucked away underneath. Pretty quiet right now because it's in hybrid mode, so just like the Accord. It kicks on when it needs to. Got your tire inflator kit and all that good stuff. Fold the seats down by just pulling that. Trunk space. Interior looks pretty good. So like I said, considering this is a sport touring, it's only 3 ones they got. Some gloss black right there. This is pretty nice. I don't really know what to call it, but it's nice. Leather armrests. And you can hear the engine just kicked on. Leather seats. Armrest, cup holders. Still no rear climate vents or charging ports, man. You know, I'm starting to suck. Check it out though. Smells pretty good. And this thing is hello. You get blind spot. You know, keyless entry as always. Well, look at that. Got that metallic in that paint. But tap that to unlock. Grab door handle to unlock. Same materials up here. Engine cut off again. Check that out. Power seats, but no lumbar. Key, pretty much the same. Nice storage, leather armrests. Got your Bose sound system. It's a Bose center point. I'll show you guys what I mean by that. It's basically a surround sound. I say that a lot. A lot of people don't turn it on. It's not on by default. But here's everything you guys been waiting for. The window sticker. Like I said, I believe they make about 141 horses. Window sticker. Thing retail for $32,000. The big numbers right there: 49 combined, 50 city, 47 highway. Man, what is Honda gonna do next? Oh, they probably one day they're gonna have about 60. I don't know. At least in one of these cars first before they get in like the CRV or whatever. Some nice door panels. auto front, up and down. Power seats again, no lumbar. Not even on the driver. Step into this thing. Check out the gloss black. Just really love that full vent design. Looks pretty nice. So you got your full digital dash. I wish they just do this with every model, but now some of them they get the full digital, or some of them get the half digital, half analog gauges. But so this is dial right here controls basically your media, and this is like all your important information. So right here, see Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and your radio. So right now you can see it's an EV ready. Got your charge, power percentage, and all that good stuff. These are for your brake regen. Nice gloss black, aluminum, leather steering wheel. And you got track select, volume, voice control. Over here is basically your Honda sensing, your adaptive cruise control. Like I said, the engine just cut back on, so the EV went away. So if I do this wheel right here, we'll dial down. So your safety, go back up to safety. Got your, what's this? Lane keep, blind spot, low speed braking. Also have parking sensors, forward collision. So this one got the whole shebang. Like I said, there's the sport touring, so ain't that kind of crazy? They always release something, they give you the highest trim. So you can see where the power is coming from, you know, from the engine going to the battery. And right now it's MPG. They only got 6 miles, so it's not much MPG. Got your full big 9-inch screen. It's pretty straightforward. Looks like they upgraded it. So you got your power flow. Go back. See, like I said, this is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And you got your maps built in, like Google Maps. It does have Alexa and all that stuff, Google Assistant, Play Store. But yeah, show you guys the backup camera. You guys can hear the, I don't know why you guys can hear that. When you put it in reverse, it makes like a humming noise, but you know, you let people know the car is moving. But you got different viewing angles, more direct or whatever. See, your parking sensor does have rear cross path detection. It's nice. Coming down here, you do get heated seats, dual climate zone. Got 2 USB-Cs with a cigarette style charger, wireless charging pad. That design, I don't even know what to call it, but it feels pretty nice. Looks pretty good. Different drive modes. So you got individual, basically you can set up what you want. Press and hold. Oh, come on. Okay. I can't even figure it out. I haven't really played with this so much. I just wanted to grab it, like I said. But you do get, basically set up how you got the cord. You can set up your, you know, your steering wheel stiffness or whatever. But right now, sport, normal, econ. It's pretty nice. Let me see if it let me go to it like this. Power flow. Yeah, nope. But yeah, I showed you guys in a different review with the cord. Basically, what I mean, you can set up all that different things. Pretty nice. Got a little blank switch right here. I can't remember what this would be. But you do get brake hold and your electronic parking brake. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this thing. Like I said, I'm trying to really not rush, but like I said, these things are coming and going. Oh, let me show you guys the radio, as I mentioned. So if you go to menu, you guys see your sound settings. So right now, see it's a surround sound, see it's off. Turn it on. I'm not gonna play because it's copyright, but you guys, if you have a Civic or a Cord with the Bose sound system or anything with the Bose sound system, go into that, turn it on, and let me know what you guys think. Show you guys the interior one more time. Looks very good. Sport touring. How that color looking in the shade right now. Show you guys all the brains in operation. Check them out. I just think about working on this thing later in the years. How hard it's going to be. I don't know how I'm going to probably be intimidated seeing that orange wire. But, oh, cuff off. Yeah, I don't know. Driving a Civic hybrid sport touring. So as I mentioned, I said it feels a little bit faster. I think I said 141 horse, but it's really 200. I was listening to the salesman, but I know they still getting trained on everything. So and I just looked up, it is 200. So no wonder, like, I'm doing 50. I didn't even realize, but this thing really moves compared with those electric motor or whatever. So this is way faster than those sports or anything other than this. Let me see if I can catch that truck. Yeah, like acceleration is crazy. Really crazy, man. Yeah, I don't know. Driving like this, I probably wouldn't be getting 50. Still 40 something would still be good. Anything over 30 is good, but thing rides pretty good though. Not as hard as the sports. Considering this one got the Continental tires. Pretty good. Oh, guys can hear that. Some brake routine. Coming to a complete stop. It's crazy. Man, I love this car. Hope I can buy one of these things one day. It's like $30,000, still a lot of money. Considering I think a lot of dealerships are doing markups on them. As I've been looking around on cars.com, which is crazy. These in the SIs, I don't know what's going on. Thought that was done, dead in the water, but guess not. If you guys do want to buy this, it's available at Tamaroff Honda in Southfield, Michigan. I believe. I don't think this one is sold, but don't quote me on it. Things are coming. This might could buy it right now. So I'll get back to the dealership. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this thing in the comment section below. I did say there's 200 horses. Okay, you guys can find a walk around. Let me know what you guys think about this color. This color really looks pretty good. I mean, this new location I'm at. The sun just went behind the clouds. Looks pretty good. I mean, my modern steel in a way. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this hybrid. I know you guys been waiting for it. Sport touring. Looking pretty good. Yeah, but I hope you guys that have been waiting for this, I finally got my hands on it. I was trying to get my hands on the SI, but that thing just sold today, so I'm gonna try to be first come, first serve nowadays. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this thing in the comment section below. Just catch you guys in the next one.